red double monster. I love that fish.
As I say, it's restful. It's not. You can get baby helicopters and stuff.
Yeah, I was
that.
getting a bit apprehensive, thinking we didn't want to racing around the house, but it doesn't. Just floats.
I'm off. I'm going to the other room. Bye, everybody. What's his name? What are we going to call him?
We don't give it a name, kids give it a name. That's part of the thrill, is giving it a name.
Then you'll find a name.
It definitely flies higher in there than in here.
Yeah, because it's a higher ceiling.
It won't come down. So the air is different.
It'll come down on its own in a minute. Watch.
Well, there's a very good reason.
Yeah.
Is the ceiling is much higher.
Right.
Watch it. It'll
So it's to do with air pressure then?
Yeah, that's why it wants to know what you...
The ceiling is higher.
Yeah, I know, but why didn't it just stay at the same height when it goes through?
The temperature. The cooler in there than it is in here.
Oh, you mean it just goes up?
It just goes up, yeah.
And it doesn't here?
No.
It's higher than it's supposed to be. So when you get it near to this doorway, it'll come down. Come on and see Mummy, come on. Come on, come on. I think I'm going to get one of these for bloody cats. Now that we know how to do it. That's a good boy. Yeah, come on and see Mummy, come on. Now you've made it attached, now you've made it a physical thing. Go see Grandad. Go see Grandad. It's a bit scary really when you think about it.
But,
Go see your Grandad.
Can you determine the height too?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make it go up and down.
I can make it go up and down, look at that.
You have to remember that Graham's learning. Oh, low battery. I can't believe that. I think it just farted on you, Bella.
It stays much more in the middle here.
Yeah,
That room is
yeah.
good ceiling.
Yeah. But it'll come down eventually.
Yeah, but always with that staircase especially must be good.
Are you having a good time then, little love? Are you?
We must think about tethering it. What do they say about taking